welcome to your week 9 remote learning assembly. There's going to be messages and some celebrations throughout this assembly from years 7 to 12 students, so you're all included. I miss you very much. Your teachers are missing you a lot. Please remember to jump onto your Google Meets. If you need anything, shout out, jump onto the Zuno app or send us an email. We can't wait to get back to school. You're doing an awesome job. On to Miss Dina.
Hey guys, Miss Bardan here. Just want to add a couple of things to what Miss Delray was saying. We're all super proud of how you're going. Keep up the amazing work. I know your days can feel a bit long sometimes and we're feeling it too, but we're almost there and you guys have been doing a terrific job, so please keep it up and please continue to reach out to your teachers for support. Remember, they only know you need help if you actually reach out. So keep it up, and some announcements from your student leaders.
How's it going everyone? My name is Laith Al-Artufi and I'm one of the Year 10 leaders, and I'm here to talk to you about some tips and tricks for using Google Classroom. So first I'm going to show you how to upload an assignment into your assigned tasks. Most of the time your teachers might have attached an assignment already, and all you have to do is click on it, fill it out, and you write your answers. Once you're done, it should auto-save, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is press on the grey turn in button and then press hand in. Now, in the case that the teacher didn't upload anything with the assignment, all you have to do is go into add or create, go into file, go on upload, browse, and you go to where you have your files. Now, you upload the assignment that you need, and you make sure that you took your time and effort and uploaded completed pieces of work to Google Classroom. Then you press on the blue hand in button and you hand in the tasks. Since you're doing good work, why not be rewarded? Make sure to ask your teachers for merit tickets by writing to them in the comments section, emailing them, or writing to them in the private comments section.
Hi, I'm Jade Amanda and I'm a Year 10 leader. Here I'll be showing you the different ways to comment on Google Classroom. So to comment on a post, you're just going to scroll to the bottom of the post where you'll see the option to leave a comment. Once you're ready to post your comment, you're just going to click that little arrow to the right. To post a private comment, you're going to go to the Classwork tab, then click the assignment that you want to comment on, and click View Assignment. On the right, it should show you the private comment section. Once you're ready to post the comment, just click the arrow. The comment will stay between you and your teacher. If you need to find a teacher's email, go to the school website. All you need to do is go to the heading that says COVID-19 and select the first link. This page gives you information about Google Classroom, online learning, Wellbeing, the codes for Google Classroom, and at the very bottom, a list of staff emails. Just a reminder that your teachers will be available to answer any questions you might have during your scheduled class times.
Hey guys, welcome to the Term 3 2020 merit ticket draw. I'm going to reel off 2 names from Year 7. Congratulations to Georgia Lee Parsons in 7I for getting the most merit tickets across Term 3. We're going to read off the first name now. Off we go. Congratulations, Paris Wharf. You're our first winner for the merit ticket draw. Miss Wilson will be emailing you soon for a song choice to pick. Next one for Year 7. Congratulations to Janaya Anning as well. There are 2 winners for Year 7. I'm going to flick over to Mr. X now, who's going to have our next 2 Year 8 winners.
Congratulations. Thank you, Mr. Collins. Congratulations to all the students in Year 8 who received merit tickets this term, and a special congratulations to Brandon G for receiving the most merit tickets this term. Now let's draw our winners for this term's draw. Congratulations to Brandon G, our first winner from 8I, for winning our first draw. And Rami Bakir, a new student. Congratulations to Rami for our second winner. I'd like to now pass you on to Miss Venuto to draw our next of winners.
Hey everyone, over to the Year 9 draw. Congrats to Michael Olamajulo. You've got the highest number of merit cards for Term 3. So let's start the draw and see who's our winners. Congrats, Michael. That's really good. It's really great to see when the highest merit card winner actually gets picked in the draw. Let's go for the second one. And Jaden fell onto Bo. Well done. I'm going to chuck you over to Miss Barden to have a look at the Year 10 winners.
All right, guys, first a shout out to Daff Rose. Congratulations on having the highest number of merit tickets so far. Keep it up. Well done. And now to our draw to pick our 2 winners. Let's go. Awesome. First up, we've got Preston T. Well done, Preston. And now for our second winner. And Chloe Haynes. Congrats, guys, and keep an eye out for that email from Mr. Wilson. I'll pass you guys over for the Year 11 draw now.
Hey guys, just a quick shout out to Jalen Lockwood for the most merit tickets. Well done. That's an awesome achievement at Year 11. Now we're up to the merit ticket draw. So let's see how we go. So the first winner is Jalen Lockwood. Well done. And on to the second winner. Congratulations, Levi Chapuli. All right, now on to Miss Wilson for the Year 12 draw.
All right, congratulations, Deng. That's an awesome effort, having the most merit tickets of any of our Year 12s. Let's see who our first winner is. Lachlan Porter. Well done, Lockie. And our second winner. Excellent work, guys. So like Mr. Collins said, I'm going to send an email to all of you prize winners. When we're back at school, you'll be able to choose a song for the bell music, so watch out for that email. Well done to every student who's received merit tickets during remote learning. We know it's a tough time, but we really proud of you guys for following the stored and student matrix. Keep up the excellent work, and we'll see you all later.
Everyone, I'm Kaylee. Today we're going to talk to you guys about Wellbeing. Wellbeing has made a list of activities you can do on the lockdown period. The link is down below. Today me and Paige are testing out a couple of these activities.
Hi everyone, I'm Paige and this is Mackenzie, and our first tip for you to stay connected with others is share something positive. So it's nice if every day you check in on a family member or maybe call up a friend and ask them to share something positive that's happened in their day.
Something positive that has happened to me today is I finished a book called Life Assignments this morning.
Something positive that's happened to me today is I got my SAC results this morning for psychology and found out I passed.
Oh, hi everyone. I'm just reading Midnight Sun, which is the Edward's perspective on Twilight. Just like in one of the wellbeing activities called Book Club, you could read a book, or if you don't like reading huge novels, a newspaper article or a magazine, or if you just don't like reading at all, watch a TV show. And just take 30 minutes or an hour out of your day to watch or read your novel, TV show or magazine, and afterwards text your family or your friends to discuss about what you've read or seen.
If you want to feel connected with others, another tip is for you to make a quarantines playlist. So go on Spotify with a few of your friends and add some songs to a playlist so you can jam out together during lunchtime.
One of the wellbeing activities on the list is hole cricket. So all you need is a cricket bat, a pair of stumps, which I'm so thankful my brother is a cricket lover, a very soft ball, so then you don't break anything in the house, and of course, a hole. So let's play some cricket. Oh no! Let's try that again. Yay!
So it's understandable that being in isolation can affect someone's health and well-being, so it's good to talk to somebody about it. At headspace.org.au, there is an e-Headspace group chat from 6 to 10 p.m. daily. It lets young people connect in an anonymous environment with others just like them on a range of helpful topics. You could also talk to Reach Out forums via forums.au.reachout.com. It's a place for 14 to 25-year-olds to chat, connect and support each other in a safe, anonymous online environment on a range of helpful topics.